सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एस्पायर आईएएस चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Good morning, everyone.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Independence Day.
Good morning, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Happy Independence Day, sir.
Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day.
The whole country, now please switch off your mics. The whole country has been celebrating the Independence Day. Now the Independence Day become the pseudo celebration of Independence Day. Everybody, like their responsibility, updated the national flag with some slogan on the WhatsApp status. And according to them, they are now feeling proud to be a part of this country. In today's time, nobody is having the capacity to speak truly what exactly they are facing the problem, where the corruption hits them. And somehow we are now flowing in a flow कि everything is moving good, हर चीज अच्छा हो रहा है, बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है, and we should not in a condition to speak. और कहीं ना कहीं हमें डर भी लगता है कि if we are speaking something, people can criticize us. अरे तुम्हें क्या मतलब है? But as a person, I am your master. I am a teacher. I am residing in Delhi for the last so many years. From my childhood days till now, so many prime ministers I somehow listened, even chief ministers. Everybody has their own तारीफ. हर chief minister, हर prime minister अपनी तारीफ करता है. But when in the Rajendra Nagar, I am going to the building to park my car, there is no parking space. On the road, sewer water is flowing. And these are small things. People are making their drainage water out of their house. Every morning, nobody is having the alarm bell of the motor. And the water of 100 of liters are wasting on the roads. It is not only about water, the water is accumulating over the sewage. Sewage are not cleaned by the assigned person because he want 200 rupees from a particular house जिसके सामने sewer एक line है. Municipality people are coming, they are finding the charge. They are not saying it is our problem. वो चलान काट देते हैं कि डेंगू मच्छर फैल रहे हैं. Small things can be improved. But the problem is of the governance. The hierarchy in this country, subject, center, state, municipality, all are fighting with each other and shedding their load to one another. Everyone want money. If house has been constructing, they want corruption money. Police is having a particular type of rate per lender this much. If you are organizing some festival, again they are charging some money. Everywhere some money they are charging. Even you are getting by the good complaints. Where are the civic amenities? Where are the quality of life? Where is the education and the health and the GDP contribution? So it is not only about that we are having good relationship with USA, we are having good relationship with Southeast Asia. We as a public are paying every day the taxation. Every one of us, whether we are paying income tax or not, but we are paying the GST, goods and service tax. On an average, a poor person is also paying rupees 10 as a tax every day. And on an average, one student can pay around 100 rupees in the form of taxation. Even in the fees, you are paying 18% of the GST. But for what? Tax should not be a compulsion. We are paying the tax only for one important thing, that is quality services. We are making these people as our own nominees who can rule us because we are busy in livelihood security, our jobs. But these people are become the pseudo kings. These people are becoming the pseudo jamidars. And somehow, if we are talking about all these things, they are saying it is a communist ideologies. Communists are a very different ideologies. Violence with no respect to religion and the nation is communist ideology. Here we are talking about rights of the people. The rights of the people is driven by the people himself. In the USA, a movement started by the name of Citizen Charter. In the Citizen Charter, it is clearly mentioned that every public organization should release a document in which they can tell about the quality of the services, who are responsible. If the overall work is not completed, then whom you should contact and in how many days you will get the grievance redressal. But nowadays, even we are writing the complaints, there is no response. Even if is a response, it is very vague. Government and the BPO are saying the overall complaint is satisfied, and we people are not in a condition to tell something. Why there is a difference between government and private culture? In the government banks and the private banks, there is a huge discrimination of working culture. In the same manner, the government offices, the government employees are saying overload, and even they are taking the overall work taken for granted. Corruption is their right. And whenever we are guiding by the data, government are publishing, we are reducing corruption this much. But ask from the common man. If the Aam Aadmi Party is saying MCD is a corrupt organization, ask from any Delhi person. If they are happy with the MCD, then we are also not happy with the AAP government. If you ask any person, are you happy with the AAP government? They are saying no, because still whether Sheila Dikshit or AAP government, we are not getting the basic facilities. So we are in a condition that we are adopted, and those who are not adopted, they are outcast by the system, by the people. आप ज़्यादा ज़्यादा क्या कर सकते हो? मरोगे कोई ना. Ultimately you accept, and you can do the investment of your own money and rectify the things. Is this is independence? ब्रिटिशर्स ने 200 साल में जो नुकसान नहीं किया, 70 साल में हमने अपने देश का उतना नुकसान कर डाला. We become our own enemies. Politicians, 5-year tenure, every level of corruption from national level to the state level to municipality to panchayat. And if anybody is coming for 5 years, उसका टारगेट एक ही होता है कि जितना कमा सके 5 साल में कमा ले. तो where we can go? यूएसए का सिस्टम बड़ा सिंपल है. एक सिंपल एग्जांपल आज मैं प्रोड्यूस करता हूं. अगर यूट्यूब पर कोई भी सुन रहा हो तो इसको पॉजिटिवली सुनना. हम कहते हैं करप्शन होता है. करप्शन को रोका जा सकता है. My relatives, my knowing people are in US and Europe. Their overall bank account are linked with national registration number. Now suppose if I cross the red line, no harassment, no police wala, no request by giving backhand 100 rupees or 200 rupees. Simply they cut the money from your bank account. And monthly balance sheet will come in this whole month. This much is your challan with the photograph evidence. This is your problem, and now this much challan government took. कितना इजी सिस्टम हो गया. तो हम गवर्नेंस में पढ़ते हैं, हम सब लोग आईएएस की तैयारी कर रहे हैं. हमारा कर्तव्य बनता है. हमारा कर्तव्य ये नहीं बनता मुझे गर्व है भारतीय होने पर, हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे, झंडे बना दिए, माँ तुझे सलाम, ए.आर. रहमान का गाना गा दिया. हमारा बनता है कि हम गवर्नमेंट को राय दें. गवर्नमेंट को 3 चीजों पर घेरे. नंबर 1 ट्रांसपेरेंसी, नंबर 2 अकाउंटेबिलिटी, एंड नंबर 3 आंसरवेबिलिटी. यही तो आप लिख के आते हो. ये आईएएस की तैयारी को है ना, तो सबको पता होना चाहिए. आंसरबिलिटी ये होता है कि अगर म्युनिसिपैलिटी ने 10 रुपए भी लोगों के लिए खर्च किए तो कैसे खर्च किए, क्या ये लोगों के पास पहुंचे. तो मैकेनिज्म तो हम बना देते हैं. जियो टैगिंग कि स्वच्छ भारत अभियान के अंदर जो पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट बनेगा उसको आप जियो टैग करेंगे. लेकिन क्या गारंटी है कि जियो टैगिंग के बाद भी दैट प्रोजेक्ट रियली एग्जिस्ट, दैट प्रोजेक्ट रियली प्रोवाइड द बेनिफिट टू द सिटीजंस. तो मुझे लगता है मोर देन गवर्नमेंट, People should be aware. अगर हम में से एक आदमी 10-10 लोगों को भी अवेयर करे और हम ये बताएं कि डरने की जरूरत नहीं है, तो वाकई में इस देश के अंदर बदलाव आएगा. लेकिन पुअर एजुकेशन, बैकवर्डनेस, इनइक्वालिटी, ये इस देश के लिए भावी खतरे हैं. सबसे ज्यादा बड़ा खतरा है इनइक्वालिटी. अभी रिसेंटली मुझे एक चीज सुनने को मिली. इन इलाहाबाद इट इज अ वेरी बिग टूरिज्म हॉटस्पॉट. आप सबको पता है इलाहाबाद एक बहुत बड़ा टूरिज्म हॉटस्पॉट है. देयर इज अ संगम वेयर मोर देन 2000 बोट्स आर ऑपरेटिंग बाय द पीपल फ्रॉम रूरल एरियाज. तो मुझे क्या पता चलता है दैट देयर आर सम बाहुबलीज और वी कैन से सम पावरफुल पीपल हैविंग पॉलिटिकल एंड पुलिस बैकिंग. नाउ द पीपल हु आर ओइंग द बोट, दे आर चार्जिंग सपोज 800 रुपीज. तो दे कैन होल्ड ओनली 150 और 200 रुपीज. 600 रुपए ऐसे कैसे उन्हें बाहुबली को देना पड़ेगा. Why? If they are not giving that money to that particular person are not allowing them to operate the boats. But there is no unity among the boat people. अगर ये 2000 लोग एक साथ हो जाएं, तो क्या ये शक्तिशाली लोग इनको एक्सप्लॉइट कर पाएंगे? नहीं. But they are having the fear. भाई मैं क्यों करूं, मेरे बाल बच्चे हैं. तो इस देश के अंदर जो सबसे बड़ी कमी है वो यही है. Why I can do? I am also having my family and I take care about my family. What exactly I can do? तो हम सब बोलते हैं आजादी के बाद बहुत कुछ प्रोग्रेस हुआ. बिल्कुल हुआ, लेकिन उससे ज्यादा प्रोग्रेस चाइना में हुआ, उससे ज्यादा प्रोग्रेस जापान में हुआ. एंड इवन देयर कंडीशंस वाज वर्स्ट देन इंडिया. चाइना भारत से 2 साल बाद आजाद होता है. Their poverty level was very high till 1980s, but today's their economy is one of the largest in the world. We are saying because of single party system. It is not about single party system. Why then about Singapore and Japan? That they are maintaining the development over the traditional cities like Kyoto. It is only because their governance structure is very good. Europe and USA, people are not frustrated because of the lower level corruptions. People are not frustrated because of poor quality of services. Even they are getting security through national health security system, education system. 12th class तक बच्चों को पैसे नहीं देने पड़ते हैं. They are getting the good education system. Only in the colleges they can. और अगर वो टैक्स पे करते हैं, after 55 years of age, government can take care about their everything. Minimum pension, tourism allowance, बाहर घूमने जाना उसका allowance, anything you want, government can take care about. So on this Independence Day, I really want that please introspect. Are you feel independent from your overall views? Are you feel happy to express yourself? Are you independent enough to survive with the quality of life? If not, it is a time to write, because the column, that is a pen, has the power. If you want, you should write some blogs. You should tell to the people on the daily basis what exactly are their responsibilities. But do not fight, because it is all about attitude. पिछले 70 सालों में हम सबका एटीट्यूड ऐसा हो गया है, हमें क्या मतलब, पानी बह रहा है, हमारा तो नहीं बह रहा ना, हमें क्या मतलब. We are ignoring the things. हमारे सामने गलत हो रहा है, but we are ignoring the things. और ये सब इसलिए बना because of the outdated system. हमारे देश का सिस्टम ब्रिटिशर्स की एक देन है, जिसको कभी हमने डायनामिकली इंप्रूव नहीं किया. एक आईएएस ऑफिसर जब बनकर जाता है, उसके दिमाग में बहुत एस्पिरेशंस होती हैं कि वो ये करेगा, ये करेगा, ये करेगा, but ultimately he become the victim of the same system, same hierarchy of seniors and juniors. अगर वो कुछ करना भी चाहता है, he is not in a condition to do because of the outdated system. So this is a very small message from my side. If anybody can listen this on the YouTube or anyone, please share this message to the masses, because we are not belong to any political ideologies. We are not having any relation with any political ideologies. We are just a citizen who are paying the taxation and want a good quality services. And we do not want to flow कि सब अच्छा हो रहा है, क्योंकि मेरे हिसाब से सब अच्छा नहीं हो रहा है. जब मैं सड़क पे चलता हूं तो मेरे को डेंगू मच्छर काट जाते हैं. मेरे को खेलने का मन करता है, मेरे लिए कोई पार्क नहीं है कि मैं जहां बैडमिंटन क्रिकेट खेल सकूं. अगर मैं अपने घर के नीचे निकलता हूं तो कूड़ा पड़ा हुआ होता है, कोई उठाने वाला नहीं है. अगर मैं गली में निकलता हूं तो ड्रेनेज का पानी मेरे पैरों में आता है. मैं अपने डॉग्स को लेके जाता हूं तो उनके लिए कोई जगह नहीं है जहां मैं उन्हें घुमा सकूं. स्ट्रीट डॉग्स कभी भी मेरे पैर पर आके काट लेते हैं. मैं अगर गवर्नमेंट के अंदर जीईएम में अपने आप को पुटअप करता हूं तो मेरे को ग्रीवेंस रिड्रेसल नहीं मिलता, मेरे पैसे कट जाते हैं और मैं घूमता रहता हूं. अगर एक लैंडलॉर्ड मेरे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के ऊपर मेरा बकाया पैसा नहीं देता है तो मेरी कोई सुनवाई नहीं है, बिकॉज जुडिशियल सिस्टम इज वेरी वेरी लेंथी एंड टाइम टेकन. अल्टीमेटली मैं एक्सेप्ट कर लेता हूं कि 2 लाख रुपए का मेरा नुकसान हो गया, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल, आई कैन लिव हैप्पीली. So if you are listening this, it is a आवाज of common आदमी, and that common आदमी not belong to अन्ना हजारे mission, आम आदमी. That common आदमी belong to that particular type of group which are facing a small problem on the daily basis, जो improve की जा सकती है. So if we are independent, we deserve the quality of life, and the overall message from my side is only the quality of life. तो जो मैं पढ़ाता हूं आप बच्चों को, मैंने वही आपके साथ डिस्कस किया in the application part. आप सबके अंदर एक पावर है, आप सब इस देश को आगे सर्व करोगे इन एनी फॉर्म. एंड आई वांट टुडे यू कैन स्पीक ऑन दिस इंडिपेंडेंस डे, एंड वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग दिस इंडिपेंडेंस डे एज अ फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच एंड एक्सप्रेशन. तो स्टार्टिंग विद द जीवना ज्योति, स्पीक बेटा. जल्दी जल्दी सब लोग बोलते जाए.
Good evening, sir. Sir, I am from small village.
इवनिंग करो, सबको करो, बिकॉज वी आर एक्सप्रेसिंग अवरसेल्फ ऑन द सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म यूट्यूब. आप सबको ग्रीट करो.
Okay, good evening for all Indians. I am from small village. Here, I never stayed at home because always I studied in hostel. During COVID, I am staying at home. I can see many things. I am observing many things surround me. First of all, I want to say that our village is segregated into on the basis of caste. This was worst thing I was seeing. There is a area where all SCs used to stay, and everybody want to stay away from them. Even after these many years of independence, I'm still watching this one. My house is near to them. Even my mom says we should vacate as soon as possible this home. We should build a new area away from this, because they will do open defecation. I don't understand why Swachh Bharat mission, everything, still they do open defecation only. I asked some children, why are you coming out? They are saying there is no water for us. There are bathrooms, there is no water in it, because we are in an area where water scarcity is there. Even we buy water of for tanks. Our MLA is not at all taking care. He is saying it is the duty of MP, and MP is saying it is the duty of MLA. Even in the surrounding area, there is no street light. From my childhood, even from my when I noticed from fourth class till now, there is no street light is at all. Even at 9 o'clock, we fear to come in that way due to snakes and all, everything. There is a very problem in that. And recently, another issue I got to know about, in the elections, there are announced that panchayat elections, for the in this time we got elections for women category. They kept her on the name, but everything is done by her husband. And is that even name not known to anyone? They are saying his wife is participating, his wife, anyone don't know her name also. And even here girls are saying rules of problem, and women, there is no voice for women. Even in my house also, why there is need to study? You can get married as soon as possible. If it is late, no one will be there. What will you do after studying? Even so many my relatives asking my father, what is the use of studying making study a girl child? If you make study a boy, it is something economic for you. What is there in studying a girl child? Like this, many questions came to my dad. And all these got no for me during when I'm staying in home. But there is one thing I want to say. In COVID, no government helped our village, but only those people who are from this area, they only prepared food, and they only supplied vegetables, they only supplied rice and all cereals based things. This was done by all public itself. This
बिकॉज ऑफ द टाइम पॉसिटी वीडियो को लंबा नहीं करना है, लेकिन इससे ये पता चलता है एट हाउ मच वी वांट टू स्पीक, हाउ मच हमारे अंदर कितना आग है. तो फॉर द व्यूअर्स, बिकॉज देयर इज सम इंटरनेट प्रॉब्लम, तो आपको पहली चीज तो पता चल गया होगा, एट द टाइम ऑफ कोविड वी आर नोइंग व्हाट इज द इंटरनेट स्टेटस. तो जीवना ने 3 चीजों पर फोकस किया. दैट कास्ट सिस्टम स्टिल प्रिवेल्ड इन हर विलेज, शेड्यूल कास्ट आर हाईली डिस्क्रिमिनेटेड. During the COVID, MP, MLA are fighting with each other. No facilities these people are arranging themselves. And in the local grassroots level, that is the elections, women are not even knowing what exactly she is contesting from. And her husband is doing all the things. Thank you, Jeevna. Now, Sir Priya Singh. Not more than 2 minutes.
सर थैंक यू सर, आपने मुझे बोलने का मौका दिया. सबसे पहले तो नमस्कार सभी को जो भी ये सुन रहे हैं, आप सभी को मैं नमन करता हूँ. आज इंडिपेंडेंस डे है. हम इंडिपेंडेंस से क्या सीख सकते हैं? इंडिपेंडेंस उस टाइम पे हमें क्यों चाहिए थी? मतलब तो चल रहा था ब्रिटिशर से, सब कुछ सही था. व्हाट वाज द प्रॉब्लम? आई थिंक हम लोगों ने फेस किया, कुछ लोगों ने, जिन्होंने सोचा कि जिद करना जरूरी है, जो सिस्टम है उससे हमें लड़ना जरूरी है.
करेक्ट.
ठीक है, बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, करप्शन है, आइडियोलॉजिकल इश्यूज हैं, कम्युनलिज्म है, एक्सट्रीमिज्म है, इंसर्जेंसी है, हजारों इश्यूज हैं. सोशल मीडिया आने की वजह से इश्यूज और बढ़ गए हैं. छोटे से छोटे ग्राउंड लेवल विलेज से लेके बड़े से बड़े पॉलिटिकल लेवल तक पावर ब्रोकर्स, करप्शन, हजारों चीजें हैं. ठीक है सर, माना. पर हमारे स्टैंडर्ड्स क्या है? हमारी इंटेग्रिटी क्या है? हमारे मॉरल्स क्या है? क्या हम सब लोग रेड लाइट जंप नहीं करते हैं? क्या हम सब लोग छोटे घूस नहीं देते हैं अपना काम जल्दी करने के लिए? तो मेरे को ये लगता है कि एक जिद होनी जरूरी है, तभी हम इस इंडिपेंडेंस को अच्छे से महसूस कर सकते हैं और हम खुद को वर्दी बना सकते हैं कि हम इस इंडिपेंडेंस का इस इंडिपेंडेंस को चेरिश कर पाए। तो सर मेरा बहुत छोटा सा मैसेज है, खुद में इम्प्रूवमेंट है, सिस्टम से लड़ने के लिए एक जिद जरूरी है और वो सभी के अंदर है। बस हमें अपनी इंटेग्रिटी स्ट्रांग रखनी है और अपने मन की सुननी है, जो सच है उसके लिए खड़ा रहना है, और कोई क्या सोचता है उससे हमें मतलब नहीं होना चाहिए। अगर हम सच्चे हैं तो हम जीतेंगे। थैंक यू सर। जय हिंद।
जय हिंद। तो मुझे एक बहुत अच्छा फ्रेज आया आफ्टर दैट इज अ लिसनिंग सर प्रिया, कि आजादी होना जरूरी है लेकिन आजादी को ओवर यूज करना नुकसानदायक है, और हम भारतीय शायद ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम आर मिस यूटिलाइज और ओवर यूटिलाइज आवर फ्रीडम। तो थोड़ा सा लॉ और रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन में जाना चाहिए, जिसमें सबसे पहले एथिक्स और खुद के वैल्यू सिस्टम काम में आता है, उसके बाद लॉ एंड ऑर्डर काम आता है। तो कन्फ्यूशियस के अंदर भी थॉट है, जिस आदमी के अंदर एथिक्स और वैल्यूज है उसको लॉ की जरूरत नहीं है, और जिसके अंदर वैल्यूज और एथिक्स नहीं है उसके लिए कोई भी लॉ बना दो, दैट लॉ इज नॉट सफिशिएंट। तो भारत में यही है कि हमारा वैल्यू सिस्टम और एथिक्स डाउन होते जा रहे हैं, और हम लोगों ने सिर्फ पैसे को और ओहदे को, दैट मीन्स क्लास को ही सब कुछ बना दिया है। तो सर प्रिया, वेरी गुड व्यूज बेटा, शाबाश। श्रेयस।
I wish a very happy independence to all the viewers. Today on this Independence Day, when we got our independence in 1947, I remember the verses of Gandhiji where he talked about Swaraj. He did not only talk about independence of India from British rule, but also independence of the human beings from their own desires. First thing what he told was Swaraj is not only getting a nation becoming independent, but also to control our desires. Only when one controls our the freedoms are not like unlimited freedoms, there are restricted freedoms. So only when you control your desires and you have a proper rules and regulations within the society, the freedom can be enjoyed by all the sections of the people. And one more thing I need to get the lessons which I get from independence is about the importance of the demographic dividend in the present scenario. Independence is being brought to the independence from British rule was being achieved mainly through the participation of the youth during our freedom struggle. It was the major participation of freedom fighters from their youth stage. When we compare the youth section like during the colonial period and during this period, I find that the demographic dividend during that period of time were more aware about the rules, laws, and they were having greater civic participation. They were speaking very good English. They were also having greater participation in the civic rules. They know why to participate in legislative council, legislative assembly also. That is why even during the government of India, government of British had severe restrictions for participating and becoming an Indian civil servant. It was Rabindranath Tagore's brother who became the first civil servant at the age of 19. Even after they kept the restrictions of being Greek and Latin as the criteria for becoming an Indian civil servant. So I find greater responsibility of the youth during that period of struggle. Why is it missing today? The youth feels that the independent India which is being created by the selfless people during that time, we feel today like we are taking everything for granted. We feel there is a certain age limit above which we have to contribute to the society. Nowadays, we are working for our own self. I think this is majorly because of the globalization and infusion of the Western principles of individualism and the social media culture, where we think like certain social duties have to be done only by certain activists from NGO section, certain teachers, and by the politicians, and we are coming outside this civic participation. So on this Independence Day, I would feel to give this information like the people who are preparing for IAS, they can take the social responsibility in promoting awareness about the rules, laws, the basic rules and laws, so that we can demand our rights and also protect the deprived sections of the society, so that they can also demand rights. Like there are certain laws like Protection of Civil Rights Act, SC/ST POA Act, and Hindu Succession Act, which gives equal rights to women also. So I would like to see India where we find a unity in diversity. We are all born in the same nation. We are all born in the same land, and the same land is giving us the same food. So there is I find no difference in ourselves, and hence I think this might be the basic principle which we can reinforce our independence by creating an awareness, by reviving the feeling of India's cosmopolitan worldview, Vasudev Kudumbakam, mainly by the demographic dividend of our nation. Jai Hind, sir.
Thank you, Suresh. Well done. Shabash. Prabha Prashant, 2 minutes.
Happy Independence Day to all the viewers watching this video, and thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. I would like to first of all start with a quote that ethics begin where the law ends. This quote has been there, and we are taught this quote. So basically, the laws are only the restrictions and only give us the area and the dimension of what we must follow, and they just give us a broad perspective. But what we need, and what I believe, is that every one of us has a moral anchor inside of us that keeps telling us where to go, what to do, and what not to do. So we need to be strong with that moral anchor that everybody of us have. Other than that, what I feel that our independence has come at a great cost. There has been a lot of loss of lives and people have struggled. And we, the people that have born up in the era of globalization, like Shirish mentioned, have forgotten the cost that this sacrifice has come at, and we are just enjoying the fruits. So we need to look inwards. We need to have a view of history, especially in the current scenario when we have been struck by this pandemic, that everything has been open, all the systems have been exposed. So it is time that we break free of our inhibitions, we break free of our internal fears, we become independent in our thoughts, and become a bit more compassionate and empathetic, and let's make and strive towards making India a better and a glorious nation like we have all imagined us to be. Thank you, sir.
Welcome, beta. Amanjit.
Thank you, sir. Happy Independence Day to all of you. मेरा मैसेज बहुत छोटा सा है.
माइक थोड़ा पास ले जाके बोलो मन.
ओके. मेरा मैसेज बहुत छोटा सा है, एंड मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ, फर्स्ट सपोर्ट योर नेशन फर्स्ट. इट्स everything, support your nation. उससे क्या होगा, अपनी कंट्री स्ट्रेंथन होगी. जो देश जो मतलब वीक पॉइंट्स है इंडिया, हमारे जो गवर्नमेंट या जो हम फेस करते हैं डेली, वो दूर हो जाएंगे. और दिस इज द ट्रू इंडिपेंडेंस. और हमारी गवर्नमेंट कहती है गवर्नमेंट इज स्वतंत्र, सबका साथ, सबका विकास, वो भी मिशन फुलफिल हो जाएगा इससे. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच सर.
थैंक यू. तो अमनजीत ने एक ही बात बोली कि हम सबको अपनी कंट्री को सपोर्ट करना चाहिए, जिससे हमारी कंट्री स्ट्रांग होगी और यूनिटी में बढ़ावा होगा. थैंक यू अमनजीत. नाउ सत्येंद्र प्रताप सिंह.
Happy Independence Day, sir, and happy Independence to everyone. First of all, I want to say that all the issues discussed by my fellow participants, I agree with that. But I feel all these issues and all these problems, they are because of only two problems: and education and poverty. If we solve these two issues, then I think then we can work upon further issues. And I visited and stayed in India for more than 20 states, and I feel that the poverty and education, on these two subjects, neither government is working nor people. They even so many minority sections, they are not working on this. So what I want to say, all these issues, first of all, we will have to work upon education and poverty, and then only we can further progress on other issues. Thank you.
Thank you, Satyendra. Vishali.
Happy Independence Day to all. Myself Vishali Devedi, and right now I'm talking about, everyone talks about everything, but मेरा एक concern बहुत ज़्यादा है. पहले तो citizens की तरफ, और दूसरा है हमारे IAS aspirants and जो IAS officers हैं उनके लिए. First of all, for the citizens, it's a time when जब हमने इंडिपेंडेंस ली थी, तब हम सब एक ब्रदरहुड जैसे सब लोगों ने फाइट किया था. But right now, I don't think so. That everyone thinks that we are bounded with a brotherhood, because in a previous time or before, there was people fighting with each other relating to the caste. अपनी कास्ट को लेकर पीपल इतने ज्यादा कंसर्न है, वो भूल चुके हैं कि हम सबसे पहले इंसान हैं, हम सबसे पहले इंडियन हैं, हम सबसे हर चीज को छोड़ के हम सबसे पहले एक इंडियन है। और वो चीज मुझे लगता है कि आज भी लोगों के अंदर बहुत ज्यादा है, हर चीज को लेकर। फिर आप उस चीज को किसी भी चीज से जोड़ सकते हैं। और दूसरी मुझे जो चीज लगती है वो है सिविल सर्विस की। मैं हमेशा सोचती थी कि सर हमेशा इतना अच्छा बताते हैं, सब कुछ इतना अच्छा है, हम इतना अच्छा सब कुछ पढ़ते हैं, तो फिर ऐसी क्या प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है कि इंडिया में आज भी ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पर सही से चीजें चल नहीं पा रही हैं। हर जगह सिविल सर्वेंट्स हैं जो वही सब पढ़ रहे हैं जो आज हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं। शायद फ्यूचर में जाके हम सबको वो चीज फेस करनी पड़े, बट मेरा सिर्फ एक मैसेज रहेगा सबको कि आज हमने जो वैल्यूज सीखी हैं, हमने जो इंटरनली अपने अंदर एक इंसानियत सीखी है, हमें उसे कभी नहीं भूलना चाहिए और अपने नेशन के प्रति ट्रूथफुल रहना चाहिए, लॉयल रहना चाहिए, जो कि सबसे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है अभी के लिए। थैंक यू सो मच।
वेरी गुड बेटा,
जय हिंद।
जय हिंद। अरुणिमा गुप्ता।
Hello everyone. Happy Independence to all. During my preparation, I read a quote by Hannah Arendt where she says कि हम नहीं सही से काम कर पा रहे हैं because we are so much indulged in our economic sphere that we forget our political responsibility. प्रॉब्लम जो राइज हो रही है वो भी हमारी वजह से है, प्रॉब्लम खत्म भी हम कर सकते हैं व्हेन वी रिकॉग्नाइज कि हमारी क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है। गवर्नमेंट को ब्लेम कर रहे हैं तो गवर्नमेंट से आंसरेबिलिटी के लिए अगर हम अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी समझेंगे देन थिंग्स कैन बी सॉल्व्ड आउट। देयर इज सो मेनी प्रॉब्लम, मतलब सभी लोगों ने बात की और सारी प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे में बात की, लेकिन हम इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं जब हम अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को समझें। IAS ऑफिसर दे आर बिकम, लेकिन वो भी इसी प्रॉब्लम्स में आके ट्रैप में फंस जाते हैं, उनको भी कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं मिल पाता है। शुरुआत अगर अभी से हम करेंगे कि हम आंसरेबिलिटी के लिए कुछ करें, जैसे सर ने बोला कि ग्रीवेंस रिड्रेसल, वहाँ पे मैकेनिज्म है लेकिन कोई रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आता है, हमें उसके बारे में अवेयर होना चाहिए। और हमें मतलब हम जो पढ़ रहे हैं, इवन हम तो सबसे अच्छे तरीके से काम कर सकते हैं, पॉलिसीज पढ़ रहे हैं, लेकिन किसी को नहीं पता, जिसको मिलनी है पॉलिसी उसे भी नहीं पता है कि उसको पॉलिसी मिलनी है। तो अवेयरनेस हम बढ़ाएं और सबको बताएं कि पॉलिसीज क्या है, हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हो गई और गवर्नमेंट को भी ये मतलब जो भी पॉलिसी है उसको दूर तक लेके जाना चाहिए, तभी इंडिपेंडेंस सही मायनों में हमें मिल पाएगी।
थैंक यू रणिमा।
थैंक यू।
हिमांशी।
Good evening, everyone, and happy Independence Day to all. For me, independence means freedom of speech and a freedom of dissent also. So we should be able to keep our points without any fear. Secondly, especially as a girl, and everybody should be able to walk freely on the roads without any kind of fear of other people attacking us or demeaning us or anything of that sort. We should be fear of any kind of criminal activities that go on in our daily life. So ultimately what I understand is that we need to provide basic dignity to each and every person, and that is not just from the aspect of the government or governance, but also with respect to each other. Whosoever he or she might be, we should treat everybody with respect and dignity. The second part that I want to talk about is that we should understand that this freedom came at a very huge cost of partition, and I'm a descendant of people who were actually affected by that partition. So I have seen them how they build themselves up, rebuild themselves up, and they even contributed in the nation building without any kind of regret or any kind of complaint against the government. So we need to understand that this independence, we should not take this independence for granted, and we should do everything to secure it. Thank you.
Shabash. Tumpi.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. So, first of all, I'd like to just start on ethical ground, just as my friends have. And I'd like to say that since I've been staying in Rajendra Nagar for some time now, I think we've interacted with lots of aspirants and also the people who are in services themselves. And I think one of the very fundamental, fault in our own thinking is that it's become so. I think it's become so common and what do I say? I mean, it becomes so common for us to discuss. अच्छा यहाँ पे ये okay, since corruption is so prevalent, especially in services like IRS, IAS, and all. So, I mean, from the preparation stage only, we lay a very, I think we start laying fertile ground for corruption. I mean, we start preparing ourselves. कि हाँ IRS में services लेना है क्योंकि वहाँ पैसा अच्छा होता है and all. I mean, see, this is from my own personal interaction. So I think since we are aspiring to be civil servants, bureaucrats, and helper to the government, I think it's something that we should really mull over from our preparation day itself. That's all I have to say. Thank you.
So she is again talking about the ethics and the value system, which is very important. Chirag, your turn now. Chirag. Kritika. Kritika, speak. Mithilesh. Mithilesh, your voice is not coming. No. Deepika Khasa.
A very good afternoon. A very good afternoon to all of you. Sir, I am audible.
हाँ बोलो.
A very good evening to all of you. Mountbatten Plan gave immediate effect to independent by enacting the Independence Act on 15th August 1947. Sir, personally in this pandemic situation, I felt that living in capital of India, I consider these security personnel as Masiha, as they have they diligently allow me to go anywhere. Liberty of thought, all are fulfilled along with them. Sir, I mean, they cherish all the fact, like secular democratic republic to secure all the citizens which we have. Sir, personally, I have felt this much.
Thank you, Deepika. Umesh.
First of all, happy Independence Day to all of the viewers. As Sar said in his speech, I would like to mention a point that nowadays nationalism has led to a pseudo nationalism, and the need, what we can say, the present need is self-regulation and accountability plus transparency. One thing I want to say about this in this pandemic period, which I had an experience. It's not my experience actually. I seen it in a public, is that nowadays grievance is miscategorized as criticism, especially in a public one of the public office. When a person he's asking his grievance or for his needs, the public servant treats it as like questioning him or he's criticizing him, and it is affecting the service which is provided to the person.
Correct.
And other thing I am saying that one thing is the policies and developmental agendas, especially belonging to I'm a resident of Wayanad in Kerala, which is a border district, and actually we can see that the developmental agendas are just on the time of election only. It's just on paper, like nothing is implemented, and moreover the people are unaware of the policies. So I would say that the main need would be to decrease the self-interest, and as said by Vaishali, we should focus more on brotherhood and regional development. Jai Hind, sir.
Jai Hind. Rohan.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
सर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मेरे सारे देशवासियों को 74वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस के अवसर पे सबको शुभकामनाएं और जैसे बधाई देना चाहता हूँ सर, आपको भी, मेरे सारे सहपाठियों को भी, और खासतौर पे आप मुझे अवसर दे कुछ बात करने के, 2 शब्द रखने के लिए अवसर देने के लिए भी आपको मैं ढेर सारे धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ सर। मैं यहाँ पे काफी देर से सुन रहा हूँ मेरे सारे सहपाठियों के विचार, राय। उन्होंने छोटी से छोटी बात से लेके जो एक नौकरशाह या फिर कोई सरकारी बाबू जो याद नहीं रख पाता है, या फिर कोई भी देश का नागरिक या शहरी या कहीं का भी निवासी याद नहीं रखता है, या फिर और बड़ी से बड़ी काफी बहुत जरूरी बात भी इन्होंने बताया है। तो मैं काफी सालों से मैं एक राय रखता हूँ, लेकिन मैं अब इतने बात कहा है, सबने कहा है, तो मैं कुछ और बात कहना चाहता हूँ। अभी कुछ देर पहले आपका एक मैगजीन में आपका पोर्टल देख रहा था, एक कोट मुझे नजर आया था सर, नॉट मी बट यू कह रहा था सर। हमारा देश कश्मीर से लेके नीचे से लेके केरला तक और पश्चिम में गुजरात से लेके पूर्वोत्तर अरुणाचल प्रदेश तक सब लोग एक जिंदा दिल इंसान के तौर पे जाना जाते थे, ऐतिहासिक रूप से भी माना जाता है, और अभी भी कहीं कहीं पे अपने जो कला है, अपने जो लोगों के विचार, हर जगह दिखता है कि हम लोग जिंदा दिल है, हम लोग एक वर्ड शब्द बोलते हैं अकोमोडेटिव है। तो ये चीज हम लोग के हर एक जिंदगी, जो छोटी सी जिंदगी के पहलू में दर्शाना चाहिए। खासतौर पे अभी जो कोविड के तौर पे सोशल मीडिया का इस्तेमाल बहुत बढ़ गया है, कनेक्टिविटी, डिजिटल कनेक्टिविटी का बात चल रहा है, तो सोशल मीडिया में हर जगह देखता हूँ मैं बस अपना बात कुछ गिने चुने चीजों पे रखना चाहता हूँ। सोशल मीडिया पे भी देखता हूँ कि कहीं लोग हर एक छोटी बात के भी अफेक्ट हो जाते हैं, पर्सनल ले लेते हैं, और मतलब वो नहीं होता है कि पहले आप बोल के, ये चीज नहीं है। ये सोशल मीडिया है नहीं, सड़क पे भी आदमी चले तो ये जो काफी, मैं हाल ही में कुछ समय पहले हमारे जो ट्रांसपोर्ट में कोई मंत्री ने कहा था ये बात कि पहले आप ये जो रहना चाहिए भावना, तो मेरा यही कहना चाहिए कि हम लोग हमेशा नॉट मी बट यू एक तरह का एक जुनून अपना चाहिए, जो कि हमारा आज का नहीं, हमारा पूर्वजों से पाया गया है। पूरा देश का हर एक कोना कोना में ये चीज है कि हम लोग मशहूर है हर पूरे जग भर में। तो मेरा ये कहना है कि नॉट मी बट यू, ये हम लोग ये धारणा को आजमाए तो काफी अच्छा रहेगा, और बस इतना कहना चाहता हूँ।
थैंक यू रोहन। दाम्या।
हेलो व्यूअर्स एंड ऑल, एंड अ वेरी हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे। आज के दिन पे हमेशा ही 1947 की याद आती है, और सबसे बड़ा कंट्रास्ट जो उसमें दिखता है वो ये है कि उस समय के लोगों की भावनाएं अलग थी, पार्टिसिपेशन ज्यादा था, सब बढ़ चढ़ के पार्टिसिपेट करते थे, सब लोग कॉम्प्लेसेंट नहीं थे, लीडरशिप रोल्स थे उनके पास, और रोल मॉडल्स थे सोसाइटी के लिए। तो एक जो और समाज बना, जो बच्चे जिनको और एजुकेशन मिली या वैल्यूज मिली, तो सोसाइटी एक विजन, जिस विजन से चल रही थी 1947 में, और जो हमारा ट्रैक ऑफ प्रोग्रेस था वो बहुत अच्छा जा रहा था। फिर ओवर टाइम वी डिक्लाइंड, और इस तरीके से हम भटक गए। आज अगर हम अपने आप को सुधारना चाहें तो आई वुड से टू एवरीवन, वी शुड इनकलकेट वैल्यूज ऑफ लीडरशिप अमंगस्ट आवरसेल्व्स एंड अमंगस्ट अदर्स। प्रोग्रेसिव सोच रखनी चाहिए, रैशनल सोच रखनी चाहिए, अंधविश्वास या झूठी बातों में, या जैसे लोगों ने बोला सोशल मीडिया की फेक न्यूज पे नहीं जाना चाहिए, और इंटेग्रिटी मेंटेन करनी चाहिए। जैसे मेरे कितने सारे दोस्तों ने बोला कि there has to be an ethics, there has to be an integrity to what you do, and you have to stand your ground. और इसके लिए कोई खासा रिसोर्स नहीं चाहिए, इसके लिए आप anyone can do this, and anyone can inculcate and encourage these values in their society, amongst their friends, and this is what we should do. This is the route to progress, and that is my message on this day to all of you.
Thank you, Damya. Thank you. Ashutosh.
Jai Hind, sir.
Jai Hind.
Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity, and happy independence to all of you. Sir, I agree with all the views and whatever they expressed, my fellows that expressed. But I will personally say that what we are lacking is emboldening our value system and taking steps to fight for them, to hold the grounds, as Damya has just said. So I will just say that whatever your household is telling you, your education starts from there only. Your family teaches you the very first your primary education starts from there. your value system, your education, your everything, every, what should I say, your scope is defined by your family. So we should be working on our family. We should be engraving our children in such a way that they should respect our national values, compassion, empathy. Compassion is, I will highly stress on this word, because uh, in this pandemic situation, what I'm saying is that whenever someone is getting quarantined, then people are not showing compassion. They are clicking photos and videos and just showing and treating that he is some outcast, but he's not. He's a victim. He's a patient. You should be compassionate about them. So I will not stretch it, but I will just say, कि Mundir Mundir Matir Vinna, every human being, every wise man expresses the wise truth in its own way. All my fellows did, you sir did, you did a great job, and there is just one quote from Rig Veda, Ekam Sata Vipra Bhavata Vadanti, which also enterprises the same thing, that there is one universal truth, and the wise men express them in numerous ways, from Guru Nanak to Mahatma Gandhi to our current leaders. There are words, there are leaders who are doing this, and they constantly drive for this. There are some problems for implementation. We should be working on that personal, and we don't have to go a long way to do that. But you can start from very small step whenever, because I come from this tier 2 city from UP. So people here still ask people to just they ask for directions, that I have to reach Sharma ji's house, and can you tell me? Don't use Google Maps. They are not very adept in technological stuffs and all that. So this is a point, people to people contact, which is still relevant in Indian society and community. So you can start from there only. You can just spend 2 minutes directing that guy that you should take this turn, this landmark, and you will reach Sharma ji's house. This will be a contribution, though a not big one, but a small one. A change should come from you individually. And yes, I will agree with all the stuff. And yes, hold your grounds, hold your value system. I will say this, उम्मीदों पर अगर आँच आए, उसूलों पर अगर आँच आए, तो टकराना जरूरी है, और अगर जिंदा हो तो जिंदा नजर आना जरूरी है, which loosely translates as when they command, they fight, and your rules are in, and your life ethical values are in danger, you have to fight for them, you have to stand for them, and if you're alive, you have to show them. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Mohit.
हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे टू एवरीवन। सर मेरे हिसाब से आज़ादी का मतलब होता है कि आप अपने पोटेंशियल और अपनी चॉइस के हिसाब से जो बनना चाहो, जो करना चाहो वो कर सको। इनसे देश में ज्यादातर लोग तो ऐसा कर ही नहीं पा रहे हैं, क्योंकि उनका तो रोटी कपड़ा और मकान इसी लड़ाई में जीवन चला जा रहा है। सर अपने को जो मेन एम है, मेन एजेंडा जो अपना होना चाहिए ना, वो ऐसा होना चाहिए एटलीस्ट कुछ लोगों को आप इंडिपेंडेंस फील करा सको। तो आईएएस की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, मेरा मेन एम ये एटलीस्ट कुछ लोगों को तो ऐसी जगह पहुंचा सकें कि वो फील कर सके कि इंडिपेंडेंस होता क्या है। तो बस यही है।
Thank you so much, Mohit. Very small lines but high meaning. Shabash. Shriya.
First of all, good morning to everyone, and thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. Rarely some people give this opportunity to voice up, not our government. So, happy Independence Day to all, if you're free from mind. And my biggest concern, particularly about this day, would be that I have seen people like they are celebrating the day for flags, and it's like a birthday of flag. Basically, happily the human birthday like goes on for 24 hours, but flag birthdays are basically for 2 hours, and then they are like in the home, on the table, and then from dustbin to garbage. So giving respect for one day, I don't think it's make a big difference, or even it's important. Like, and some people show it on social media like Jai Hind, Inqilab Zindabad and stuff, which is like doesn't get into my mind and it hurts my brain. My first concern would be this. Secondly, the coin have two sides, positive and negative. Similarly, for our government, like our country to work, we have government and citizens. Citizens are mostly guided by religion and caste. And if I am being the politician, I'm surely going to take advantage of that particular thing. No doubt. And being political, like being a politics, as my friend Vaishali said, that in documentation, it's perfect. Like nothing can be better than this. But when it comes to implementation, it just bombard over there. The main reason would be, I guess, corruption. The money which should flow in the ocean for the citizen is now actually going into a well where some frog lives named politicians. So these two will be my concerns. And being IAS aspirant and the people who are actually in the administration system, it's like if you jump into dirt, no matter how much hard you try, something or some part of you, maybe legs and feet, will get into that dirt, no matter how much you try. So my my message would be on this day that no matter what you'll do, just keep, as one of my another mate said, integrity, respect. No matter how much you keep these things, you will break on some point. So to sustain that, the only thing you need is to have a guidance, and sir, you're like awesome in that, no doubt. So the guidance is must, integrity is must, respect towards like you should have some principles, best. Some principles, no matter what happens in life, you cannot go against them. That's all, sir. Jai Hind, thank you.
Thank you so much. Fanendra Kumar.
Good evening, one and all. Happy Independence Day. Happy Independence Day, sir. And I would like to tell you guys like a small message. Like people have the right. The constitution makers had given us a good opportunity for the right to vote. The right to vote is nothing but like selection of a candidate who rules you. The people are misutilizing the right to vote. If you misutilize the right to vote, the person who become the leaders and they are act as curators and they are like monarchs. And if you want anything apart from that, like if you want a small favor in like small road or some water or something, if you are taking money in terms of vote, then how can you raise your voice against that politician so that it can be misutilized? So I want to tell you guys, like if you want, like in Telugu, one saying is there. That means if you don't ask your mother for the food, she won't feed. Like that, if you are not having a voice to rise against like to the politicians, so that I'm not having this one, so I'm not having this one, so that you can do for me this favor and like that. So please, guys, I want to tell you, please don't go with this money and all for while taking the while voting and all. This would lead you to like issues like. So I'm wondering like the what do you call the earlier like Bhagat Singh and all, how they got influenced in that younger age. These people, like how they went into the freedom, because now when I see the current situation, like the youth of this country, mainly the, most of the youth population in this country, not even aware of the Gram Sabhas and all. Because I am from a small village, I participated in many of the Gram Sabhas, and for like in front of my house also there is no road. I went to MLA and MP for construction of that road. So I urge every citizen of this youth population, be the part. If you are not the part of the system, be at least participate in a small like Gram Sabhas or any participation within the local administration and all. Then it will create some change. So I urge every citizen, be the change.
Thank you. Thank you, Fani. Saurav
Yes,
Kumar.
No, it was very good. It was very, very good.
Saurav Kumar.
No, it was very good.
Saurav, switch on your mic.
हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे टू ऑल। आज इस स्वाधीनता दिवस में मुझे एक और देश का स्वाधीनता याद आता है, वो है चाइना, जो कि हमसे 2 साल बाद इंडिपेंडेंस लिया, लेकिन आज उसका इकोनॉमी इतना बढ़ गया है, इतना बड़ा हो गया है कि उसका फॉरेक्स रिजर्व जितना ज्यादा है उतना हमारा जीडीपी भी नहीं है। मतलब आप समझ सकते हैं, आपके बगल में एक ऐसा दुश्मन है जो अपने पॉकेट में जितना पैसे लेके घूम रहा है उतना हमारा सालाना इनकम नहीं है। तो ये जो गैप आ गया है इसको हमें खत्म करना है। इसको खत्म करने के लिए हम सबको बहुत ज्यादा कुछ नहीं करना है। इंडिविजुअल लेवल पे हम जो भी कर रहे हैं, जो कुछ भी कर रहे हैं, उसके करने का क्वालिटी थोड़ा बढ़ा दें, काम करने का क्वालिटी बढ़ा दें, थोड़ा और काम करें। ऐसे करने से हम अपना जीडीपी भी बढ़ा देंगे, देश का जीडीपी भी बढ़ा देंगे, उसके साथ साथ हमारा इंडिविजुअल सपना भी, जो इकोनॉमिकल सपना है, वो भी इस प्रोसेस में पूरा हो जाएगा। तो इस मेरा मैसेज यही रहेगा कि सब लोग एक इंडिविजुअल लेवल पे सोचने के अलावा एक बिग पिक्चर देखें कि हम कितना डिप्लोमेटिकली दूसरे देशों पे रिलाई करेंगे। हमको आत्मनिर्भर रहना पड़ेगा और इसके लिए हमें खुद थोड़ा और मेहनत करना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा और क्वालिटेटिव वर्क करना पड़ेगा, सो दैट जो इतना बड़ा खतरा है हमारे देश के ऊपर, सॉवरेनिटी के ऊपर जो डेंजर आया है, उसका हम कुछ सालों में कुछ उसके बराबरी तक आ सकें। यही मेरा मैसेज रहेगा। थैंक यू सर। जय हिंद सर।
जय हिंद। तो बड़ा अच्छा लगा, आप सब बच्चों ने अपनी अपनी बात रखी, बिकॉज यू आर नॉट किड्स, यू आर इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी एज लाइक ए स्टूडेंट्स, बट एक्चुअली यू आर इन अ कंडीशन टू गाइड द होल सोसाइटी। आप सबको सुनने का भी मौका मिला और जानने की कोशिश हुई कि व्हाट एग्जैक्टली पीपल आर थिंकिंग। वी आर लैकिंग इन सम ऑफ प्लेटफॉर्म्स वेयर यूथ कैन स्पीक। व्हेनेवर ओवर द चैनल्स दे आर ओनली आर्टिफिशियली क्राफ्टेड। एक्चुअली में हम यूथ के अंदर की बात निकाल ही नहीं पा रहे हैं। तो वी विल right now I'm guiding by this particular type of experiment that I can further organize some events on the Zoom that where we can do some active debate about some of the crucial issues which can help you in development of the insight about a particular issue, and maybe it can act as an opinion for the government also ki what exactly the educated youth of this country think about a particular issue. So we are proud to be Indian, and I am feeling so much proud that I am always want that if in the future some birth will be there, I should take the birth only in the country like India, which is full of diversity. If India is not there, then how I can enjoy more than 300 dishes of food? How I can enjoy the diversified students from Kerala to Jammu and Kashmir? I am blessed with that type of blessing of the God that in the last 7-9 years, more than there's a 5,000-6,000 students of different countries, different localities, different religion participated in my class, and I am having interaction with all. This is the quality of a particular class of mine, that we are having the interaction with all of us. So I really want that you people can contribute in a manner, and you should not be guided by one of the say by the world countries for India hypocritic country. So I really want whatever you are feeling, whatever you are speaking today, you should value that speaking and do something by utilizing your time and really make yourself, your country proud. And try to that is a unite this country. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि criticize करने की जगह हमें इस country को सहयोग करना चाहिए, और हम सब कर रहे हैं. That's why we are adopting in that particular type of system. But yes, still there is a need that government people and the governance should not take all the things taken for granted. If we are taking a good handsome taxation, they should at least provide quality of life, because only the quality of life can provide the equality, where everybody can get first health, क्योंकि health के बिना education नहीं है. If a person is not getting by good health, good cognitive power, then how education? So first health, then education, and automatically we can eradicate inequality and poverty. And then automatically we achieve the real स्वराज्य और inclusive growth, जो गवर्नमेंट का पिछले कई सालों से नारा है. तो अपने देश को सलाम करते हैं. नेशनल एंथम सब लोग खड़े हो जाइए प्लीज, एंड प्लीज पार्टिसिपेट इन द नेशनल एंथम एवरीवन.
तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाए जब जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. जय हे, जय हे, जय 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 हे.
भारत माता की जय.
Jai.
Thank you so much. Good. Wish you all the good wishes for your bright future, and we can make our country proud. And we are supporting each and every person, whosoever are coming in our contact. But first, we can develop ourselves. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind, sir.
Thanks, sir.